We're going on another girly weekend away and you're coming too. My birthday is approaching, but I will be back in the UK during that time, so keep an eye out for those videos. But this weekend we are celebrating early and using it as an excuse to have a little trip away. We are going to Dongguan. It's about 1 hour from Shenzhen, so we take a taxi and of course we're staying in style at the Ascot. After we're all settled in, it's time to go and see what Dongguan has to offer, starting at Shan Lake Park. I just want to preface this by saying that Dongguan is known as the workshop of the world. They are one of China's most important exporters of machinery, electrical products, and high-tech items. But don't let that fool you into thinking it's full of smog. Just look how incredible this park is, full of sculptures, beautiful plants and trees, and of course this wonderful lake. It's a beautiful place to come and relax, go fishing, or maybe just to feel more in touch with nature. Oh, this flower?
You can make the tea with this flower.
Oh.
It's the one that we saw in Macau.
Oh.
That's not yeah, I saw the corn.
I don't think the corn is for the...
There's no corn trees here. Post-freaking
As the sun is beginning to set, we make our way back to the hotel for a freshen up and to begin some celebrations. And now is the perfect time to give you a hotel tour. When we arrived this morning, everything was decorated for my birthday. Such an amazing surprise organised by Michelle. This is This is more like a big apartment than a hotel room. There are 3 bedrooms and a fully equipped kitchen and fridge. It has all the little luxuries that you take for granted back at home, like an oven and even a bath. This is so fancy. Thank you, Michelle. Ah, so cute. Here's Chloe filling up the water.
Tap water. That's why I'm so strong.
Wow. So cute. Oh my gosh. Wow. And when I open the fridge, another surprise is inside. cake just beautiful. Wow. And now we hear a little knock on the door. Our dinner has arrived and I cannot believe who delivered it.
That's so cool.
Thank you, robot.
Working, do not disturb. He's busy.
Bye-bye. Oh my god, so good. 谢谢. Damn, so much food. We ordered a complete feast of Dongguan food. Noodles, dumplings, lots of fresh veggies and tofu. You don't think I'm gonna let it slide that easily, do you? We ordered some more just so that we can see the robot again. Hello, robot! How do you do it?
Press the button.
What button? Oh, open.
Open the door.
Ah, so cute! Thank you, robot. Now we have to close the door.
Bye.
Wow!
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Oh,
Where's the left?
Michelle.
Yeah. I think someone has to press the button for him though. That's what happened in Harbin.
Oh, really?
It would just wait in the lift until someone pressed the button for him to get in.
No one pressed the button and then it just opened the door.
Oh.
The door just opened and then the robot just went in. And it
Wow.
just went down.
Wow. As the evening continues, it's filled with laughter, card games, and a good old bit of karaoke. Good morning! We wake up to a delicious buffet breakfast, including both Chinese and Western favorites. And we take full use of the rooftop pool. Now it's time for the highlight of the trip. We are going to be visiting a European town in China. Huh? Dongguan is home to a huge campus of the tech giant Huawei, and they didn't want just a regular office block. They invested approximately 10 billion yuan, which is about 1.5 billion US dollars, in 12 European-inspired villages. Unfortunately, this remarkable place isn't accessible for tourists. Only Huawei employees and their family members have the privilege of an invitation. So we found another way to view. By taking these electric scooters for a spin. It is super surreal cruising around China, but everything looks so European. The 12 villages include replicas of famous buildings and landmarks from Germany, Paris, Windermere, Luxembourg, Oxford, and Grenada. With around 30,000 employees, the Oxhorn campus is a pretty huge place. I can see why they needed to build a city. It comprises of 108 buildings with not just offices but also a picturesque lake, a gym, a library, coffee shops, accommodations, and even a hotel. If you want to visit, you can come to Shan Park to see the town from afar. It's the perfect place for a picnic. It even has a mini beach.
So big, you know? Like that building.
It's not window of the world, this is like full
Exactly.
scale.
And it's so small because it's so far away on this property. Like, that's insane. That's insane.
What's it like?
Insane. Absolutely insane.
What is it? And I said frog.
Hey up. Something spicy.
So fun. Very cute, girl. Our time slot for the scooters is almost up, so we race back to the base to avoid having to pay an extra 40 climb. As we drive back, it makes me reflect on this trip in Dongguan. Lush green parks, huge model European villages, and beautiful nature isn't quite what I would expect to find in a place known as the warehouse of the world. But I'm super glad that it's this way.
How much sugar do you get?
Like, less. Cheers. We enjoy a cool, refreshing fruit tea and head off on our way back to Shenzhen. What a wonderful way to celebrate my birthday. Next time you see me, I will be back in the UK. So see you next week for more adventures. Bye bye.